The Atmel AVR X Mega microcontroller is a micro like no other. In addition to the features you always expect from all Atmel AVR, the X Mega integrates several unique and innovative features that increase real-time performance, reduce power consumption, and truly separates X Mega from the competition. Among the big innovations on the X Mega devices are the analog modules. There are 12-bit DACs, 1% internal oscillators, and flexible analog comparators. But let's focus on the fast high-precision analog-to-digital converters. The 12-bit ADCs of the X Mega convert up to 2 megasamples per second using a pipeline ADC design to achieve high sample rates and low clock frequencies. There are both single-ended and differential inputs and built-in gain stages to reduce the complexity and cost of using external components. Real-time performance is more than just MIPS. You need to be clever as well. For example, the X Mega has a DMA controller managing any data transfer between peripherals and memory. This relieves the CPU from simple data moving tasks, so it can be spent on real data processing instead. The multi-level interrupt controller enables you to set individual priorities to your interrupts in runtime to make certain that your vital tasks are completed exactly when they have to. Less important tasks are then put on hold and resumed once the more important interrupt is completed. And of course, the innovative event system provides interperipheral signaling with 100% predictable timing for precise real-time control and CPU relief. Because every time an event is used, an interrupt with context switch is eliminated. The combined advantages are sustainable high data throughput, low CPU load, and predictable timing for your application. A side benefit is to reduce your time in active mode, consequently minimizing power consumption. Talking about low power, in sleep mode with an RTC running, X Mega devices consume only 500 nanoamps. This includes full data retention, giving X Mega the shortest wake-up and response time from low power sleep modes. With true 1.6 volt operation, all X Mega devices can run directly from a ±10% 1.8 volt power supply or allow deeper battery discharge with all functions still working. Capacitive touch interfaces are robust and easy to use. They replace expensive mechanical components and increase the lifetime of your application, provided that they work. Adding high-quality capacitive touch interfaces to the X Mega is easy. With the Atmel Q-Touch software library, you can add capacitive buttons, sliders, and wheels, creating a robust and attractive human interface that works. The full-speed USB device module of the X Mega lets you achieve a data throughput of 1100 kilobytes per second, outperforming any competitor in the market by far, period, and with only 7% CPU load. And you don't need an external crystal because you can run full-speed USB off the internal oscillator. All this makes it easy to add USB to your application. You don't have to add external components, and you're not at a risk of turning your micro into a dedicated USB controller. It can still do more, much more. In the AVR software framework, you will find all the common USB device class drivers. This way, USB becomes what it should be, an added benefit to your application and not your main focus of development. In summary, if you're looking for an 8/16-bit MCU that can deliver the best possible combination of real-time performance, high integration, and low power consumption, Atmel's AVR X Mega is your solution. So stop looking. Thanks for watching.